All right, so this is the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, otherwise known as RAAS. Basically, it's our body's way of dealing with low blood pressure. And there are three main hormones that are involved in this system, those being obviously renin, angiotensin, and aldosterone. And I'll just take you through it. So number one, obviously we have the stimulus, which is a low blood pressure in the body. That can be for various reasons, such as obviously just bleeding, low blood pressure, dehydration, lots of things that can cause that. But basically what's going to happen is there's these certain cells in the kidney called the juxtaglomerular cells. It's kind of easy to remember because juxta basically means like next to, essentially, like the root means that. And then glomerular, it's right next to the glomerulus in the kidney. But they're calling that, I have it here as JGCs, just juxtaglomerular cells. And these juxtaglomerular cells are going to release renin, which is just a hormone. Renin is going to convert angiotensinogen, which is produced by the liver, into angiotensin 1. Then, angiotensin converting enzyme, otherwise known as ACE, which is produced by our lungs, is going to convert angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2 is the active form of angiotensin, and that will have obviously bodily effects. It will cause release of ADH, antidiuretic hormone, which is going to increase the number of aquaporins in the collecting duct, thereby increasing water reabsorption. It's going to increase aldosterone, which is going to have a number of bodily effects, including increasing our thirst, increasing sodium reabsorption in the collecting duct, and indirectly water reabsorption as well, and then increasing vasoconstriction. And then angiotensin 2 is also going to do those last two effects too, of increasing sodium reabsorption in the collecting duct and vasoconstriction. One thing that has been really helpful for me with memorizing this kind of complex web of hormones, and it's just so confusing, it's hard to really get that picture completely into your mind in one setting. Sometimes I mean, I'm sure a lot of people have had that experience of just seeing all this information and reading it over and just getting nothing because it's just too complex. One suggestion that I'd have for that is just to basically create like a picture, which is what I've done here, and I know how to draw this picture from heart. But once you create that picture, you get past that scariness and the barrier of, there's just the complexity of it, and you're able to just appreciate it, as a closed system, and at least have some sort of grip on it. And then after that, you can then go and kind of learn it. And I feel like I understand this picture. I understand what all these things are saying now, but if I hadn't started with the picture, I wouldn't have gotten to that level so easily. So there's a tip there.